Hello again, my name is Andrew Lewandowski and I am the Deputy Finance Director for the City of Forest Park. Welcome to How-To Video Part 2 of 2 series with helpful hints on how to file your 2013 tax return. In this video, we will demonstrate how to e-file your tax return. Please note, even if you e-file your return, you must still submit your tax information to the Forest Park Tax Office. This includes all W-2s and federal return. You can now start out by going to www.forestpark.org and scrolling halfway down the page, and you will see a FP file icon and link that is right here. Click on the link. This will bring you to another page where you'll click on the computer icon in the middle of the page to take you to the e-file website. Once there, you can begin the process. Please note you must create a new PIN number every year. This video assumes that you have not logged in yet this year. If you have filed electronically last year, that PIN will no longer work. Click the circle that states I am an individual who wants to file my tax return. In the tax ID field, type in your social security number with no dashes. Skip past the PIN number field and click Don't have a PIN number. You will see the following fields appear. Now you can create a PIN number that is case sensitive and must include at least one letter and one number. So for this example, I'll probably use test 123, test 123, and then you'll need to put in the numeric part of your street address. So for City of Forest Park, it is 1201. And then you would click Set My PIN. However, for this example, I already have this set up, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And I'm going to click the e-file agreement button at the bottom and click Login. Once you're in the system, you will be brought to the welcome screen. Once again, you will see a message that states your return is not final until you submit a signed copy of the tax documents to our office. Go ahead and click Continue. Update your contact information if anything is incorrect, then press Continue. If you need to update, you would click this box right here. Otherwise, we're just going to press the Continue button. At this step, you will check all the types of income you received during 2013. For demonstration purposes, I will select W-2 only. And then I'm going to click Saved Form Selection. It'll give you a message, you click OK, and then you just click Continue. Click the Add New W-2 form. Let's go ahead and enter the numbers off your W-2. For this example, I'm going to say that this person earned $50,000 while working in Cincinnati with 2.1% withholding from Cincinnati. So we're going to click on the box 1, we're going to put 50,000 in. You will see it highlights on the form, so it gives you a reference of where to look on your form. We're going to go to box 5, we're going to also put 50,000 in. These may not be the same amount on your W-2, but for demonstration purposes, this is what we're going to use. On the employee ID number, you'll see where it's highlighted, just put that number in. And then put the employer name. Now we're going to go to box 18 in the local wages field. So if you have any local wages, you'll look at box 18, 19, and 20. Generally 20 will tell you the city it's being withheld for. So in this case, it's for Cincinnati, so we're going to put in the local wages of $50,000 again. And this step is very important. You must select how many cities are listed on your W-2. In this case, we're just doing one. So we're going to pick Cincinnati. And we're going to put 1,050, which is the 2.1%. This form only allows you to put in one non-resident city like Cincinnati and Forest Park as the other city. If your answer is 3 cities, you will see this message. You cannot file W-2 forms with 3 or more cities on this system. You would have to file through an accountant or through us, but we could help you assist you here during the week if needed. So we're going to go back to the 1. We're going to have the Cincinnati withholding, and then we're going to just go ahead and hit Save. You will see the summary of what you just entered. We're going to go ahead and click Continue. If you would have had rental income or Schedule C income or any other kind of business income, it would show losses available that you could take against this year's business income. In this example, we do not have any, so we're just going to click Continue. And here's a summary of all your forms. Once again, you can just click continue. Now you will see an estimated taxes for 2014 section. In this example, this person would owe tax for 2013 and 2014 due to the recent ordinance change to the allowable credit. This screen is estimating how much you will owe in 2014 based on your 2013 income. It is estimating that they will owe $562.50 next year. If this person no longer works at this job and knew they were not going to owe this amount in 2014, you could scroll down and change the estimate to what you think you would owe. So we're going to scroll down, and here's the field that you would change. So we're going to change that to $300. I did this earlier, so it normally would have came in at $562.50. But I'm going to change it to $300, and then I'm going to click Save Estimate. You'll get a message. You'll notice that there's a link in the middle of the screen to take you to a calculating tool to help you with this estimate. You would right-click on this link and click Save Link As. Currently, this is not working, so we would need to go to our website at forestpark.org and then select Departments, Finance Tax, and Tax Department. So I'll show you that real quick. This is also in our series part 1 video and talks about the calculating tool, but I will show you again on this one. So we're going to go to the address bar, www.forestpark.org. We're going to go to Departments, Finance and Tax, Tax Department, and then you'll see this. You'll right-click the green area, click Save Target As. You can change the file name if you'd like. I'm just going to change it to Calculator. We're going to click Save, and we're going to save it to the desktop. Make sure you save it somewhere where you know. And then you can just click Open if it prompts you to. And this is the form you'll see. Once again, you can go to the video on how to fill out this form if needed. So we're going to go back to the e-filing system. So we're going to click Continue. This section, if you were due a refund or had an overpayment of taxes and you wanted to request a refund, this is where you would do it. In this scenario, there is no refund due, so we're going to click Continue. You'll see a summary of your return. In this example, you would see a 2013 balance due of $187.50 and a 2014 estimate due of $300, which is the number we changed it to. If this is okay, please click Continue. This is the last and final step to file your return electronically. From here, you can print your return by hovering over the return. You'll see a print box appear. You'll click Print, and then you just print it to your printer. After you've done that, you can finalize it. I'm not going to go ahead and do that in here, but you can finalize the return, and then you will still need to send all your documentation to the city with this return. And this concludes this video. If you have any other further questions, you can always give us a call or go to our website. We have plenty of information out there.